Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a store on Squarespace for home and decor business, easy and quick. So first type Squarespace on the search. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know much about coding. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, let's see templates. So here you can choose your type, your topic. So for example, let's go with home and decor. Here you can choose your type: online stores or portfolio or memberships, courses, services, and that's it. So for example, let's go with this. You can create your own website if you don't like this. You can create your own template. So here you can add your site name, type any name you want, and let's continue. Everything you need to sell: anything, physical products and services, book up appointments for clients, access to connect courses, and more. Drive traffic to your site, branded emails campaigns, interacted integrated social tools and advanced SEO tools. Manage your business: branded invoices, flexible fulfillment options, and advanced insights and analytics. So let's get started. So you can choose one of these: website or commerce. For example, let's go with commerce. So the first thing here we have, you can set up your store. So first here you can add your products or create your products or import it. You can add the way to get paid, and here you can choose the subscription plan, and here you can publish it. So first let's go with products. So for example, physical products. So wait a few seconds for creating the product. So here you can create you can add your product name. For example, decor, no, home and decor, supplies. If you wanna add an image, just go to the browser and search on it. So you can select it from your library. So for example, let's go with this. So I'm gonna choose this. You can choose wherever you want. Just push it here and wait to upload it. So next, now you can add the price. So for example, 18. The stock, you can here change the stock. You can make it unlimited. So let's turn it unlimited. So that's it. Now let's continue. So here you can add the description. So for example, uh, home and decor. So that's it. Here you can add an image. So for example, this. Here you can edit the inventory. If you don't like it, you can turn this on sale. You can change the sale price. So let's turn this off. So that's it. Here you can edit the visibility. You can turn this on, featured product. So that's it. And now let's save this, let's publish it. And now you can go to the payments. You can choose the way you get paid. So for example, let's let's choose this PayPal. So you can choose it. That's it. You can choose how to fulfill your options, your orders. So here you can add shipping option. Here you can set up the pickup. You can set up fulfillment profiles. So that's it. Now after this you can choose the subscription plan. So you can select any one of these. For example, let's go this with personal. So here you can add the full name. You can add here the card number, the expiration date, the CVC, and after this save and continue. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the another step. And after this you can publish it. Just go here and you can publish your website. So here you can choose any plane you want. So that's it. That's how to customize your site on Squarespace website for home and decor business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.